What's going on, guys? Got a GE Stackable laundry center here, and the dryer door handle is broke. I'm in a turn and just noticed this, so I went up to the shop. I got a parts dryer or parts stackable up there, and I brought the door down with me. Show you how the handle comes off. Now you could just take the door off itself and swap it out, but these handles come off pretty easy. So we're just gonna pop this handle off, and then we'll snap it on here and she'll be good to go. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is over here, get a putty knife, and then you can see the little lines here. There's 4 of them. You just want to go to each one and just lift it out, and as it comes out, just work your way down, and then once you get it off this side, it'll just roll right out. These end pieces curve back in. So we'll start at the top, lift it out. Actually, they all came out pretty easy. So there you go. Tilt it back, pull it out. That's it. On the back side, you can see where they curve in, and then they just snap in. And this handle, I looked it up there. I know just like a walk-in price for GE or appliance place, anywhere from 40 to 50 bucks. So I didn't even check my price, but I have a spare one here, so we're good to go. So you want to start with these 2 here, then set them back in there. Roll it forward, then just snap in. There you go. Alright, pretty easy, little quick one today. That's just a dryer door handle for a GE Stackable. It's a 27-inch stack. So it's always good to keep some spare parts around. Now I still have a good door here, obviously. So, alright. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.